a great choice today with the 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, hard disk drive media storage, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, electronic stability control, CD player, trip computer, heated front seats, power convenience group, tachometer, brake assist, Uconnect hands-free group. Your new ride is just a phone call away.